Ito na mga idol ang pinakaabangan nating laban ngayong araw. May 22, 2026. Ito ay ang laban ni Jason Mama versus Angel Ayala Labridazabal. Ito ay bakbakan ng Mexico versus Pilipinas sa Super Flyweight Division mga idol. Para sa hindi nakakilala kay Jason Mama mga idol is ang Pilipinong boksingero diyan is ang naka black gloves, tapos ang Mexican boxer is ang naka white gloves.
Ayala got a nice wide stance, good solid base to punch from. The taller of the two when you look at them there. Mama just keeping that head on the move.
Prospect ng bansang Mexico yung kalaban ni Jason Mama sa ngayon mga idol, na may kartadang 18 wins at isang talo. Habang itong Pilipinong boksingero na si Jason Mama is may kartadang 21 wins at 3 talo lamang. Ang labang ito pala mga idol is schedule for 10 rounds na bakbakan mga idol. Overhand by Mama. Mas mahaba ang reach nitong Meksikano kaysa sa Pilipino dito sa laban. Yun. Na-sniper agad si Jason Mama doon sa tira na yun.
Behind it with that kind of 1-2-1 and finished on the left hand, which did land from Ayala, not with any great heat. Jabs to the body from Ayala, who's looked to take the center of the ring for the
kaliwete itong Meksikano mga idol.
Exclusively,
habang itong si Mama is orthodox.
Just popping out that lead left hand. And looks for the right to the body. And you see the kind of wingspan he's got there, Ayala, when he really extends. He's got a long reach.
Pero kakaiba tong kalaban ni Jason Mama mga idol, isa itong switcher. Yung papalit-palit ng fighting stance. Kanina naging southpaw siya, ngayon naging orthodox na naman siya.
Closing stages of round one, and although not too much has landed, it's been Ayala who's looked like the boss. He's been the one who's.
Ito na mga idol, round number 2.
Maybe to mix it up a little bit more. There's something you see in this part of the world a little bit more readily than possibly other countries. It's pretty unusual in the UK, for example, to see a referee tell fighters to engage more. It does happen, but only if they're being very circumspect. I think that opening round was one of those rounds where they're both just having a look at each other, trying to feel each other out a bit. But it wasn't like they didn't throw anything.
Masyado talagang mahaba ang reach nitong Meksikano mga idol.
And they see plenty tonight.
Yun, bumanat.
Just stepping in there, looking to try and let his hands go a little bit. Was Ayala.
Uy.
Right hand got through off the back of the left hook, but slightly disorganized look about him maybe as he threw it. Mama trying to scythe over the top with his right hand.
Yun, nice. Body shot by Mama.
Into the body. He's got to get close if he's going to get anything done. Ayala doesn't want to give away his natural advantages too much here.
Grabe, maka-warning tong referee mga idol. Parang galit na galit sa Pinoy. Second warning na ata agad yun para sa kay Jason Mama. Yun. Ilang suntok yung tumama kay Mama.
Mama was trying to open out, and this is good stuff from Ayala. Whips with the uppercut, but is short with it. That was good from Ayala. Long right hand and another one there.
Nakikita kasi ni Ayala yung mga power punch ni Mama. Hindi niya na sit up.
Right hand into the body was a sickening sounding shot. A shake of the head from Mama, but he got good leverage on that.
Kaya naiilagan.
It's been a good round this for Ayala. I gave him the first round on intent more than actual delivery, but he's delivered some good shots in this second.
Uy, upper. Pumasok yun.
Measuring the right hand there, Ayala. And Belga.
Ito na mga idol, round number 3.
The third, Ayala in the white, Mama in the black. It's been a good start for Ayala. Mama's been trying to get things done himself, but Ayala is had the better of it so far. And in that second round did keep it a bit longer than he did in the closing stages of round number 1. The stab to the body there with the lead left hand of Jason Mama. He's moved between orthodox and southpaw. Ayala as well.
Masyadong mahaba yung straight ni Ayala. Tatama talaga kay Jason Mama. Tapos dinodouble up niya pag hindi tumama.
Just got caught with the left hand there, Ayala. Just off throwing the jab himself. Moving in behind the jab there, Ayala, trying to throw that right hand, but Mama had stepped off to his left.
Hindi pa makuha ni Jason Mama ang yung tamang distance nitong laban, mga idol.
Leading off for the hook there, Ayala, and then again just trying to put the left hand
Matangkad din kasi itong si Ayala.
a second time. And this third round quite similar to the first, a bit more being thrown, but again no one's really wanting to commit all that much here. I think Ayala feels like he's doing enough. He's won those first couple of rounds, and again he's the one looking to make things happen more than his opponent in this third round. And for Mama, he can't just let these rounds slip by, or you get to the halfway stage and all of a sudden, without having been completely dominated, you find yourself a long way behind.
Uy, nice.
That's better from him. Just sets his feet and lets that right hand go. Final few seconds of round number 3, but he needs to get.
Ito na mga idol, round number 4.
Make a mark in this round. Just tucking up behind that shoulder makes that jab of Ayala's fall short. The referee again just telling the pair of them to box, box, box. He wants to see them let their hands go a bit more, I think.
Mas makamay itong si Ayala, mga idol.
From Ayala was
Tumatapon talaga ng suntok.
point.
Mostly combos yung binibitawan niya. Hindi pa isa-isa.
Mama again just looking for that right hand over the top. He crowded himself a room a little bit, moved in through it, kind of strangled it. He's just touching the back of his head there, I think, wondering if there was some kind of bump or a cut. There isn't, not by the look of it. Decent jab there from Ayala. step
Yun.
southpaw there. Ayala, as he threw that, the back foot came round and he just went with it. And again, the referee just urging them to engage there. Mama with a short little left hand on the inside. Good left hand to the body. Ayala just looking
Yun,
to try and
bumomba
get
na
out
naman si
of
Ayala.
it here. Good combination, but decent defence there from Mama as well, just tucking up, just bobbing and weaving on the ropes. That was nice from him. Protected the body as well. Right hand into the body there from Ayala. Mama just trying to spring in from distance there. That was a good left hand, right into the pit of the stomach, and again there. And I think these body shots might start to take a little bit of a toll. That was a good finish.
Yeah, ito na mga idol, round number 5.
Again, the referee is at it again there, just
Yun,
encouraging
body
the
shot
pair of
by
them to
Ayala.
give the crowd a bit more of a spectacle here. There's nothing wrong with this fight. It's been a decent enough watch right from the very, very start, but we are in that part of the world where they expect their fighters to engage. And just creeping into that front foot there, Ayala, doubling up on that left to the body.
Uy, yun. Nasapul si Ayala sa hook mga idol.
Left hand to the body, then up top, and down goes Mama. And he
Bagsak.
felt that. Can he shake it off in time? The referee, I think, is going to count him out
Ah,
here.
di na. Wala, tapos ang laban mga idol. Talo tayo mga idol this time.
Fantastic finish from Ayala.
Panalo si Ayala.